Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right ingredients for perfect pasta. In this video, I will show how to make pasta dough. You'll need about 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a small pinch of salt. This simple combination forms the foundation of delicious homemade pasta. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature for better incorporation. A clean, flat surface is essential for the next steps. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Create a mound of flour on your clean counter and make a deep well in the center. Crack your 2 eggs directly into the well, adding a pinch of salt. Gently whisk the eggs with a fork, slowly drawing flour from the sides into the liquid. Once a shaggy dough forms, begin kneading it vigorously for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. After all that kneading, your dough needs a well-deserved rest. Shape the smooth dough into a neat ball. Wrap it snugly in plastic wrap or cover it with a slightly damp kitchen towel. Let it sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much more pliable and easier to roll out thinly for your desired pasta shape. Finally, it's time to transform your dough into beautiful pasta. Lightly flour your work surface and the dough itself. Using a rolling pin or a pasta machine, roll the dough out very thinly, aiming for about 1 to 2 millimeters in thickness. The thinner, the better for most pasta types. Once rolled, cut the dough into your favorite shapes, whether it's fettuccine, tagliatelle, or ravioli. Enjoy your fresh, homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.